Wow. Ah, okay. It's my first time to try this. Thank you, Gina. Gina, merong shop sa TikTok. May BAR na rin siya. May mayor's permit. Ang galing, no? Dito lang sa balay. Anyway, she gave me this. First time to try. Let us try. Oops. Sarap. Oh. Ah, sarap, ah. Parang sweet coconut inside. Ube rice. Ube sticky rice. Ang galing.